work on the 1 and 2 angle. And it's the same, you just coordinate your footwork with it, and each time you strike, I'm going to be stepping on that side. Right, left. Nice thing about the forward grip is just that you got extra reach. Whereas if I'm this way, you know, I lost a lot of reach. A lot of times this is nice for defense. For the 1, is your typical block something like this, or
It's a chest block. Yep.
Okay.
We have 4 different blocks. We have a parry if we go outside, chest block if we're inside.
Oh, good.
So,
Good. Okay, so we'll stick with this one. Now, yeah, that's perfect. Because what I was going to say is, what you want to do is give them the back of your forearm. Okay, I don't want to go this way. A lot of people, when they train with the blade, they'll block and then he'll stop here. But in reality, he's going to cut through. If he knows what he's doing, or if he's just some crazy lunatic. I mean, with a blade, it's more fluid. It's more fluid. So, if I were to block a nice hard block like this, go ahead and cut. He's just going to slice right through. So if I go this way with it, now I've got all my arteries and tendons cut. So I don't want that. So you try to block with the back of your arm if you can. But what we're going to do with this, as you block, you want to grab and move it. Because if he meets an obstruction, he's going to either cut here or he's going to come to here. Okay, and I don't want that either. I have to control that arm. So when I block this way, I need to control it and move it out. Keep it away from it. A lot of times what we'll do too is hollow out here. Okay, so I'm kind of stepping back. Okay, and then you push forward. So we'll do it on left hand, push, and then he'll give me the 2, and we'll do the same thing. We'll use our same block it, grab, and control it, and just keep it away. You just want to keep it away from yourself, because, like I said, if I'm slashing, I'm going to go like this. I'm not going to stop. Just because he blocked it, I'm not going to stop if I'm intent on hurting this person. So I'm going to come straight through with it. So he has to control that. If I don't go to the middle, good. I'm going to go and cut the forearm. Okay. Good.
do I step here?
You can press it for now, as long as you're getting in here and you're widening out this space you're moving.
Yeah, too close.
In reality, you are never ever going to be able to control one of those, right? There you go. Good. One more time. Excellent. Switch.
Yeah, that's
Set it. You walk it away. In there. Yeah. Step into that. Step into it.
Do I still want to come up with that? Right? Or am I going to try and come right?
There you go.
What's
It's called
that?
closing the gap.
Because so my tendency